Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to our logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can Shazam on a different app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to open the settings, and now you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see the control center just down below of this general option. So you need to select that option, and now you'll be redirected to the control center section, where you can see the music recognition at the bottom of this screen. So to show you a demo from the scratch, let me remove it first, and now you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see the music recognition on in the screen. So you simply need to tap on the plus icon, and now you'll be able to add it to your control panel successfully. Now you can also adjust your position by tapping on the three lines, and yeah, you can slide it up and down. And what you need to do is you simply need to slide it from the top right corner of this screen, and you'll be able to see the Shazam icon at the bottom right corner of this screen. So yeah, you'll be able to access it if you tap on it, and if you tap on it again, you'll be able to turn it off. And if you long tap on it, you'll be able to see the history, and you can also see the 28 songs in here. And if you want to delete it, you simply need to slide it from the left, and you can see the delete option at the right side. So just tap on it and you'll be able to delete it successfully. So basically this is how you can Shazam on a different app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.